Hello guys, Frankness here, and today I'm back with another video. So today we are going to learn something with a software called Qgis. So for a start, we are going to be dealing about how to create layers in Qgis. So what we want to do is we'll create scratch layers because we are not doing anything serious right now, but we're just going to learn how to create layers in Qgis. So make sure to subscribe to the channel for more video content, and let's dive into today's tutorial. So today we want to start by creating a point layer. So we want to create a point layer, and then we will add some point features to that layer. So what you can do, you can go to layer, create a layer, or you can click here and name your layer. So let's call this point. Sorry, point. Then we would want to create point features. That means we'd have to also have point geometry. So let's click point here. So we're just creating a temporary layer, so this will be deleted if we close our QGIS. So from here, click OK. So here we are, we do have our point layer. So you see here it says layers, so this is all our layers will appear. So now that we have a point layer, we want to add some point features to this layer. So you can see right here we are about to do editing. So because this pencil right here, it means that we are in our editing mode. So if you select this, now we are not into editing mode. So make sure when you create your layer, then you click this pencil so that you will be in editing mode. So let's go ahead and try to add some point features. So you click where it says add point feature. So you see the icon changes there. So if you click, that's a point. You click again, you can add multiple points to this layer. So these points that we are adding to our point layer will appear in what we call an attribute table. So I'll show you guys the attribute table. So we do have multiple points here that we have just added to our point layer. So let's go to our attribute table. So you go here, you click open attribute table. Okay, let's open it. So you see we do have 15 point features from 1 to 15. So they will be named, they would contain what is called a feature ID, which is different from every feature. So we have 15 point features on our point layer. The other way you can view your attribute table, you go to the layer, then right click, and you can go where it says open attribute table. So you see I get this table, so it doesn't have fields yet, so it just shows you that you have 15 features inside your layer. So this is how you create a point layer. So let's create a polygon layer. So let's create another layer. Let's call this one polygon. Then the geometry, we have to select polygon. Okay. So now that I do have another layer, so I can select or deselect the other layers. So I want to deal with the polygon layer, so let me deselect the point layer. So I do have an empty polygon layer, so I'm going to add some polygons inside this polygon layer. Right, so let me add some points, some polygons. Okay, so we add one polygon at a time. So click add polygon, then you see I'm trying to create a polygon. So let's create a triangle. So we've just created our triangle. Let's create a rectangle or something like this. You see, so I've created more like a rectangle. So these are polygons, and you can go again into your attribute table and see we have 2 polygons that we have in our attribute table. So let's close this, and we said you want to add one polygon at a time, but let me show you something that you might incur when you are adding your polygons. So let's click like this. So you see, this is not one polygon, these are 2 polygons, and you can see that green marker there. It means someone has violated the rules. So that green marker there is telling us that something is not right. So we have 1 polygon, 2, 3, 4, but we say that you'd create a single polygon at a time. So if you go to your attribute table, you see that we do have 3 polygons. The other one is not recognized because we have violated the rule. So you don't want to create 2 polygons at a time. You simply have to create 1 polygon at a time. So if you create another polygon here, this one is going to be added into your attribute table because we have created a single polygon at a time. So if you go back to your attribute table, you see that we do have 4 polygons recognized as polygons. The other one from here is not added as a polygon. So that's it for polygons. Let me wrap up by creating a line layer. So let's create another. So we want to create line feature. So geometry line string. So click OK. Let me deselect the polygon. So let's add a line feature. So I'm creating a line feature. Probably it's a railway line or a road or whatever, as long as it is line. So you see, I do have a line feature. You can check with your attribute table. We do have only 1 line feature. You can add another feature, another line feature. This will also appear in our attribute table. So now we do have 2 line features. So let's close this. You can do much with these features. You can change the thickness. You can go to line here and you go to properties. You can change the width. Let me set this to 1.26 and you see the difference. So click apply. You see now our line features are now looking a bit thick. We changed the width, so they are now more visible in our scratch layer. So that's it for today, guys. We've learned how to create layers. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to add shape files into our QGIS and do a bit of editing with those shape files. So please check out the next video. Make sure to subscribe and also leave a comment, questions in the comment section. So please, thanks for watching guys. See you next time.